Hello, greetings. So today we will talk about on how to do a proper installation of leak type digital free chlorine sensor into its corresponding single flow cell. First of all, you need this digital chlorine sensor. Next, you need a proper installation of this single flow cell onto its bracket. Okay, first of all, you need to know the arrangement of each rings onto this digital free chlorine sensor. First, you need to remove this protection cap from the sensor. And next, insert this plastic ring into the sensor, and then this O-ring, insert it from the front tip of the sensor, and next this another larger plastic ring with this O-ring already attached. Okay, make sure this O-ring is facing downward. It's facing downward, and insert it together with the other plastic and also the O-ring, the black O-ring here. Next, you can just put the sensor into the flow cell gently and lock the sensor with this top cover of the flow cell. Right, tighten it up and make sure there's no leakage of water coming out from the top of the flow cell. Okay, so now we are going to introduce the parts of this flow cell. First is this is the inlet of the water. Water will be coming into the flow cell through this left inlet, and then here is the left regulator for the inlet, which you can control the flow of water entering the flow cell. And you can see you have this plastic float which indicates the flow rate of water, whereby if the float goes up, meaning that the flow rate is high. If the float goes down, meaning that there is no flow rate or the flow rate is too low. And next is the outlet of the sensor is located at the top right of the flow cell here. This is the outlet, meaning that when water entering from this bottom of the flow cell goes up to this chamber and exit from the top right of the flow cell. And last but not least is the flush. This is the flush of the flow cell, where you can flush or drain out all the water from the flow cell. And here is the regulator for the flush outlet. And for extra notes, we recommend you to install this flow cell with the bracket, so it will be an ease for you to do maintenance or to remove the flow cell when needed. Okay, thank you.